Alright. So I'm stalking this guy. Doesn't know. But like I've been stalking him for a few. See if he noticed me. There he is. I feel like he's directly looking at me.
Yo, Eli, where you at?
Error disconnected.
What?
Don't worry about it, little bro.
I'm going to worry about it. How'd you get up there?
What?
How'd you do that?
It's
you
literally
used
right
all
up here.
these?
Yeah, the roof
Yo,
is
it's
filthy.
connected to the factory. Lore.
It's not connected to the factory. It's just floating.
It's technically connected to the factory.
Oh, so that's how you get out of the map? Yeah.
So baby, close your eyes.
Hey, we should go dupe those items we were talking about.
Yeah. Maybe then we'll go look at my cousin, or my uncle Jerry. He's in the sewers, because he's homeless.
He's got like a billion.
He's got like 1 billion kids. I really need to make money because they made it so we can't.
Can't dupe anymore, and I literally have $76. Oh, thank you. Oh, I don't really need this, but okay.
To
I'll just
navigate
put it in the
around.
machine. You can make a galaxy grappler or something. Oh, yeah, I'll probably take one of those. And then I'll just
Oh,
buy
yeah.
a bunch of sticks because I'm freaking flat out broke. Yeah, wait, why don't we just bring 2 bags full of sticks?
If we fill the machine up all the way, it doesn't matter anyway.
You don't die if you fill the machine up too much?
No.
Oh, sweet. Does it still give you stuff?
Yeah, I've done it before. On accident.
Bro, watch this. Watch this goofy thing. I'm gonna
Alright.
hit you with this so fast. You see that, bro?
Wow, so fast.
Come on, let's go! Oh, I'm so fat from the freaking.
I'm fatter. I have a flipping robot in my backpack. Hey, you're not supposed to be here. I still own the rights to this place. Stupid kids
You'll never
these
catch me
days.
alive.
I mean, I haven't paid taxes on this place, but I still own it somehow. Yeah, guys, if you're wondering who owned The Office, I
Hey, bro,
do.
I think you got a mold problem.
I haven't had
I
enough
think
money
you got
to
a
pay
mold
taxes
problem.
yet,
Are you
so
seeing this? Are you seeing this, bro?
we need to get Jimmy's key card. Got something in my eye.
Oh, I want to test out my boomerang. What the fudge?
Oh yeah, I forgot I made that super.
I don't think it likes you.
I made that super cool piece of high tech.
Hold up, stand back so it stops aiming at you.
Gang, what the fudge? Karen, I said you're fired. Go.
Yeah, this thing doesn't even. Okay, there you go. What the? This might actually be better than a revolver. Eli.
No, bad boy. I don't even know why Karen had that. She's spending thousands of dollars on stupid robots because she can't show up to work.
Bro, I think I'm gonna accidentally hit this.
Jimmy's in the flipping basement doing who knows what.
Why is it so small? What the?
What? It randomly does that sometimes. The thing likes to malfunction. Jimmy's key card.
Bro, let's get another of Jimmy's key card just in case.
Oh yeah, didn't Jimmy randomly just buy like 2 key cards?
Nah,
Actually,
it
he
was
bought
more
multiple
like
key cards.
70,000. He meant to buy everybody company key cards, but he actually put all of them in his name, so
They're
we all just
basically
call it the
his.
Jimmy card. Yo, boss, I found someone's illegal corn drive. They're corn with a P.
That's paper.
My bad, bro. I thought it was the movie. Yo, Sharon's twin sister Karen is here.
No, she just bought a flipping robot because she always stores them in that room right over there.
No, my boomerang, my boomerang, my boomerang.
She always stocks her robot
Bro,
and always
what
hides them in here.
Gang.
This is her. This is my office. I just remembered. Gang, this is my
Bro,
office.
look at what Carol had. Look at what Karen had.
God damn. Owie.
Wait, did that actually hurt you?
Yeah.
Oh my bad, gang.
My computer's having too many malfunctions. Let's just go.
What the frick's going on with my boomerang? It's so tiny.
I found another one of Jimmy's key cards. Or credit card.
Alright, we're set. Let's
It's
go.
actually the credit card. Also,
Where do we
it's this
go?
way, gang. He's all the way in the basement, remember?
Let's go get him. Giggity giggity go!
Jimmy.
Where am I?
Jimmy, I swear to God, if you're down here. I said no more going in the basement.
Jimmy.
Alright, last door. And then we're in the basement.
I can kill Jimmy with my boomerang.
Yeah. I think Jimmy actually left the building.
Where do we go?
Over here. Jimmy likes hiding in that area. I remember he always likes the machine that I paid for. And he says he paid for it, so...
He's probably just guarding me. I'm scared.
Ha! There you are. My sweet baby. We meet at last.
Alright, what are we doing? A boomerang?
Are we gonna do the robot or boomerang first?
I'll do the boomerang. If I can put it in there.
Alright. Okay, so this machine, my machine still runs.
Why is it kind of red? What the? Sigma? Sigma? Oh, I'll go tell you. Oh, frick! Oh, frick!
Jimmy!
I was so heavy that I couldn't move, bro.
Jimmy! I said this machine isn't yours. God
Get
dang
out
it.
of here, Jimmy.
Get out of here.
He just ran away. Alright,
Alright.
Can you grab me?
Come down here.
It is I, the ghost of your favorite Cheeto Pup.
Womp womp.
This is the machine that turned me into a Cheeto Pup, right, chat?
Yeah. Actually, I duped you. There's multiple of you in different servers.
Oh, that's why there's Cheeto Griefers.
Jimmy, flip. Told you to leave. Jimmy!
Go away,
By the
Jimmy.
way, you were the first Cheeto Puff.
Next bot, Jimmy got it.
Yeah,
Give him a nice haircut. Boom. Oh, that's
Alright.
a nice haircut, bro. Let's go put some big like sticks in.
oh, it's at bananas, it's at bananas. Now we just need some ducks.
Alright, I'm gonna take this because I already threw mine in. I'll just stay here with the robot and stuff because my backpack still has a bunch of sticks.
I threw all my sticks in. Okay, Jimmy should not be able to be living in the basement. This is Jimmy's also favorite room. The duck. Okay, my room. I've also calculated the square root of how many ducks you need. You need exactly 10 ducks. Or more. I don't even care. Get out of here, Jimmy. I don't know why Jimmy keeps on coming back. Boom, research point. Where's Jimmy? Mr. Jimmy. What are you doing in there?
Your mother.
You want to be fired?
How'd you know I was lying? Hurry up and get those ducks, you mother ducker.
Jimmy's still on a flipping rampage. I'll have to wait until I can, kick him out.
Do you need help?
Potentially.
I'll come.
Jimmy! Are you still mad at me for staking your credit card? I am a ghost. I will haunt you forever if you don't revive me.
Work it all.
Alright, the duck room is this way, aka Jimmy's favorite room. He also likes eating the ducks in here.
Bro, I thought his favorite room was the machine. Hold on, I'm gonna go back to the machine.
At the machine.
Chat, I'm coming back. Close the door!
The machine is ready. All we need is Jimmy's million key code.
This is what it did to me last time. You still have the robot?
Yeah, it's in my backpack. Oh god.
Do you also still have the sticks?
Yeah.
Jimmy, I said you're fired, but coming back. Your teeth are dirty. Come here.
Nope.
Yes.
Dead chips. Holy chips! I told you.
You pressed it twice. Chat, the door's broke.
I
It's
told
working.
Oh, you waited too long. I'm coming back.
You had your backpack with you.
Yeah, it should be like right there, bro.
Jimmy, stop.
I'm almost there. Jimmy's still out here. Help me.
I'm loading the machine up.
I'm back. You got the backpack?
Yeah, it's up here. Hey,
It's ready.
almost
I
ready.
don't
We
know.
just need a few more sticks. Who's willing to go back? Chat, I don't know. I think that deletes stuff.
I got this.
Nah, we went too far. It should be fine, actually.
You're welcome.
Alright, I'll go get some ducks.
Yeah, you go do that, you mother ducker.
Keep an eye on my totally not expensive machine.
I'll come with you.
Jimmy!
Yo, I got this. Okay, I don't got this. Fight me, Jimmy, son.
I hope you know that doesn't do
I'm
any
being
melee
taken.
damage. I created its structure only for throwing.
A duck's in here. There's
Let's
some
try.
ducks in here. Okay, I don't have anything to mine them with, so. Oh, and I don't have a backpack, so I guess I'm just here.
Backpack. Ducks! My brothers.
We're so
My fellow
excited over some
brethrens.
ducks.
I like to cut G. Sir, you can't. Please only. What was done to Jimmy
wrong with
had to
this
be
duck?
done, chat.
What happened to this duck?
Huh? Oh wait, forgot you had the backpack.
6 happened. There's more ducks over here. So many ducks. There's not enough ducks.
There's enough ducks in here.
Oh, this is a lot of ducks.
There's a lot
Bro,
of
I
ducks.
found the other half. Bro, I found the other half.
Where?
We have bagels.
Yes.
Yo, look at this. Do we have strawberry cheese cream?
Yep. Let's start heading back. I don't know where this leads.
Not anywhere good.
Actually, I do know where this leads. It leads back down to the main area. Because I created this place. I know everything.
Little bro did not create this factory.
How?
Is it true DNA to make the cloud parkour? Huh?
Now, obviously, Jimmy likes to keep on remodeling, so I don't know every single inch of this place, but
Interviewers ask, is it true that you used my DNA to create the revival system?
potentially. Chat,
We're
get
not
your
giving you a con. Stop saying potentially. JK, I don't really care.
chat, get your duck backpack looking up here. Why'd you do that? Actually, it's perfectly level now. But we just need Jimmy's key card. Do you still have it? Chad, do you have Jimmy's credit card?
No, I thought you had it.
I'm gonna go get another one of Jimmy's credit cards.
I thought it was a key card. Not
It's credit card now. 'Cause I have $13,000 in credit card debt.
Credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet.
Credit card debt. Tomorrow I might buy this selfish Lego set or this Boba
I
Fett.
might buy a dining room set or this Boba Fett. I'm $13,000 in credit card debt, or is it 30,000? I think it's 30,000. I'm $30,000 in credit card debt. Credit card debt. When they call me, I say I can't pay it back yet. Pay it back yet. I'm in $30,000 in credit card debt.
Chat.
When they call me, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Pay it back yet. Tomorrow I may buy a dining room set or this bubble.
Are you done?
Six, seven.
Do you want to get fired? Credit card.
They don't pay me enough to sit on babies. They pay me enough to eat them. Wall runner alive, that's me.
I got Jimmy's credit card.
I bet I'm at the outpost.
Oh, hey, dang.
Hold up, I'm with this super tiny pink one. This one. Look at these. Bro, you got your
Chat,
backpack?
where's the backpack?
I thought you had it.
No, because you had it for collecting ducks.
Alright, hold up. You wanna go get the ducks and I'll just keep touching these little robots so they don't despawn?
I think he... Wait a second, did you eat the backpack? Aaron. What? Sure. I'll be back. I hate to do this. Yes, I made it back in time. Sorry if that took so long. I had to do something for my mom. Let me move. Question. Cutter,
Butter.
did you by chance eat the backpack?
Maybe.
I knew it. Quit eating the backpack.
I was hungry, bro.
I feed you Cheetos every day.
Yeah, that's cannibalism. You're forcing me to eat my family.
Well, I didn't make it, so womp womp.
I use all of these little robots, and then they're all gonna be gone, and you can't use them anymore, because I'm gonna explode them all.
I'm gonna eat your family.
No! No! Please don't eat my family! Psych, I already ate them. And there's a robot that's like as big as...
Stupid.
Alright, I want these two.
Those two?
Yep.
Oh yeah, guys, if you want one of these
We'll put
robots,
these ones in last, so you can just give these to me.
if you want one of these robots, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and join the code
Say
VRDuck.
stupid in the comments.
What?
Alright, let's go.
We also do
Wait, hold up.
giveaways.
If we put a small
Our
robot
Discord
in there, will it give us an even smaller robot? And if we repeat that process, will we get literal microscopic robots? And then whenever we get microscopic robots, literally be like invisible. Like, you can't see them. They're just like color box. And we can like, no?
Like what?
Easy, insane, right?
You want to know what else is insane?
What?
My head.
No, it's crazy. Like that you use lip gloss and I use lipstick. We are not the same.
Hey, yo, chat, what? Also, when we get to 1,000 subscribers, whoa. When we get to 1,000 subscribers,
My name is Striker. My name is Spiker. I hate big black Nikers. Nikes. I don't like Nikes, okay?
if you actually like watch my comment or watch my videos, comment and say, hey, Mr. VRDuck, I watched all of your videos. Also, like and subscribe to be part of the Duck Gang. And just for no reason.
Are you gonna come back to spawn so we can play 99 Nights with my Uncle Larry in the sewers? But actually, can we go in the forest and start a fire so I can get some money, bro? I literally only have $76, and backwards that's 6-7. Oh wait, no, never
Never
mind.
mind. It's just 27. I only have $27.
Bro, shut up.
Give me my robot.
Shut up.
Give me my robot.
One sec,
Bro, give me my
Cheeto.
robot. I'm about to.
Cheeto, I swear to God, I will sue you, and I'll put you back in the machine. That's what I thought. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And, yeah.
Help me.
No.
Help me. Please.